Hey guys, so today I'm here with the WeatherTech Digital Cargo Liner, fitting all 2018 and newer 4-door JL Wranglers. So this is going to be for the JL owner looking to protect the carpets in their cargo area from any wet messes, so any mud, snow, any spills. So this is perfect if you've got your tools muddy on the trail, you want to throw them in the back of your Wrangler, or you have a pet with some muddy paws. So this is made of a heavy-duty TPE material in black, so it's going to virtually match any interior, and it's also going to stay rigid, stand up to whatever you throw at it, but also remain flexible. So if you need to take it out and clean it off, you can very easily do so. Now this is going to feature some higher edges on the sides as well as grooves in the middle to keep all of those spills or mud contained. And it's going to have cutouts on either side. So as we know, in the back of our JL, we do have tie-down points. So WeatherTech does accommodate for those, and you do have little cutouts. So if you want to still utilize your tie-down points, you can cut those out and still have all of the advantages of your cargo liner. Now this is going to be a more premium option at roughly $130 for a price point, and we can expect that from WeatherTech because they do make high quality products. So other less expensive options on the page may have a more universal design, or they may not have the same materials, so they may be a little bit more rubbery and a little bit more flexible, giving you that universal design. You may have to actually trim them in order to fit in the back of the cargo area. Like I said, and like in the name, this is going to be a digital fit design. You can tell that there is a lot of thought put behind this, even for something as simple as a cargo liner. So if you are looking for that top and premium option, this is definitely going to be a great one to take a look at. So install is going to be very easy since it is a cargo liner. At 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, all you have to do is throw it in the back. Now if you are looking to use those tie-down points, you will need an X-Acto knife or some scissors to cut those out. However, let's jump into the install. So as you guys can tell, this is a cargo mat. It is going to go in pretty easy. All you have to do is place it in the back of your cargo area. Make sure all of your edges are tucked down and sitting flat. If it does roll up on you, you just got to give it a little bit of time. It will eventually lay flat. And you do have the option to cut out these sections on either side. Those are for your tie-down points, so if you still want to utilize the tie-down points in your cargo area, all you have to do is take an X-Acto knife. WeatherTech has it etched out for you, but otherwise, after everything's all good, you're all set to go. That's going to wrap it up for my quick review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos like this, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.